Gabby here and Mallory here and Gabby. And today we're going to be making apple dump cakes. So make sure you wash your hands first. But after you wash your hands, let's go to the kitchen. Okay, so the ingredients are 1 pan. And my mom already sprayed it with non-sticking spray. Some caramel syrup or sauce. Some apple filling. 2 cans of apple filling. Some cinnamon. Sugar and spice muffins or spice cake mix. And 1.5 sticks of butter. Now let's go make it. So the first thing we're going to do is put the apple filling in the pan. I'm going to do 1 can and she's going to do 1 can. I'm going to do this about but terrible. We got backup. I think they smell really good.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, nice.
I can't see it. I'm just trying to make it to where the camera can see, but I can't see. So my head's in the way. This is a weird hand placement for me. Come on out.
Now it's my turn.
And I'm going to help her just a little bit since it does need a spin.
You like a child. Get out. Get out.
Do you need help?
Oh, poor kitten. That's kind of just...
See it way up in there.
Get up there. Get.
Help me. Way up in there. Here. I'll help you. Yeah. Yeah.
Whoa. You're pretty talented with this. Oh. Is it easier? More apples. Oh, get up.
There's just 3. These are very hard.
Can somebody help us?
Alright. Will you finish it?
Yeah. Oh. Go more apples. Ooh. We're going to take the smooth apples and out to the pan.
Get them all over the pan. It's like, just like an angle, yeah. And then over here. Right.
That looks pretty talented.
Now we're going to sprinkle it with cinnamon. I think that was French.
I don't think so.
We might want to mix this. Mwah! Next, we're going to drizzle caramel on it. And preheat your oven to 350.
Shout out to Tasty because this is where we got, because that's where we got it from.
The recipe?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So she says, shout out to Tasty because that's where they got this recipe.
And the recipe has almonds in it,
Walnuts.
in it. We don't like walnuts. So if you do like walnuts, this is the part where you would add them in.
Yeah, but I don't like that.
Now
Now we're gonna add in the thing as what do you call carefully.
The spice mix. The spice, you can use spice cake mix, or we used, what was it called, Gabby?
we use like
Spice muffins.
we use like We use sugar and spice
spice.
muffin.
Muffin and quick bread mix is
Come on.
what we're using.
Now, if you need help, ask your sister or your parent.
I'm a sister! Straight line.
Let me sis, please.
Straight line right down. We'll go like that.
I'm gonna try.
We'll go right down. Go like that. Keep doing it. Keep going. Oh gosh.
Okay, put it back up. That's way too much sugar. Way too much. Whatever.
Is it supposed to pile?
Okay, Gabby. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. What?
You gotta put it all on.
What? That's enough. That's enough. Yeah, that's enough. Gabby, that's enough. Now we're gonna put it out, but don't mix it with the apples.
Back and forth. Good. Good. Make sure it gets over here. Oh.
I'm trying to put it all over. Oh.
It smells so good.
You know.
Like, it smells like gingerbread and like
I have
apple stuff. Look, on the back it even has a gingerbread house. I think it's supposed to.
Perfecto. Perfecto. We'll put it out. Oh, no, sis.
Here.
Put it out everywhere. Gabby, just cover it with the whole entire thing. Gabby, you spilled some. That's okay.
Now we have to slice the butter up really, really thin. Okay, not that thin. Okay.
Put it on there.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay, now that we got the butter chopped up really thin, we're just gonna place the butter all along, just like that.
Alright, so she already did one, so now it's my
You start on that side and come this way.
Ew, that's so gross.
Oh my gosh, I can't even. It feels like bar soap.
Ew, ew. Ew, 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 ew. It's bar soap. It feels like
It looks and feels like bar soap,
yeah.
but it certainly doesn't taste like bar soap. And I don't know what bar soap tastes like, and I never will and never will want to.
Me either. It probably could make us sick. It could.
What are you doing? No, go like this way.
I don't have enough.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't. See? I'm just putting it everywhere. Like now.
I think I got shocked.
By me. Ew. Why is it so gross? Ew. Ew. Oh my god. That's it. I'm not using my hands. I'm using a fork.
No.
It's gross.
I'm doing it. I don't even think we need this much butter. Because, like,
Woo, we
Right
did
here.
it. No, but I still have one more left, and I'm gonna put it on your hand.
no.
Okay, we're finished. No.
Now, the boring part. It has to bake in the oven for 40 to 45 minutes.
All right, let's stick it in there. I have it not good because I got all of
45 minutes is only 15 minutes away from an hour. Okay, so 45 long minutes later, I'm very tired, and it shows cake mix box because I didn't put butter on it, so make sure you cover the whole thing with butter. But overall, it looks and smells pretty good. But unfortunately, I can't eat it today because we baked this for tomorrow, which is Christmas Eve. This video will probably be up on Christmas Eve. Like, subscribe, give a big thumbs up. I'm so tired. But yeah, have an amazing Christmas. Like, subscribe, give a big thumbs up to all my videos, hit that bell to get notified when I post. Love. Peace.